Anytime I see a Hall of Fame type player, I always try to ask him, what makes you so great? What made your team so great? What separates you from everybody else? Now, I don't want to give all the details because I want everybody to know.
Russell kind of came in, took the NFL by storm.
This kid's unbelievable. Who is this kid? He's taking over this league.
People criticize my height.
Maybe Russell Wilson will grow, Mel. Maybe he'll grow another 3 or 4 inches.
It doesn't matter what your size is, as long as you can get the job done.
What's up, baby? Perfect day to play some football.
He's like a throwback, He grew up like his whole life from the time he was 13 or 14. And then the rest of it, he's just been older than everybody else.
His ability to extend the play, it's uncanny.
Pump fake, still on the run. On the throw, it's a touchdown, Seahawks! That play was made with Russell Wilson's feet.
He can sit back there and throw the ball, he can run the ball, and he can scramble.
Russell Wilson has done it again.
Not a lot of people talk about the strength of his arm and the throws that he can make and the accuracy that he makes those throws with.
There is nowhere else that ball could have been thrown where only Doug Baldwin could get it.
And he's a leader. He's just a guy that can mess the troops.
It seems like he's in year 8 or 9 already.
We gotta be great. We gotta be great down there every time.
Russell Wilson has taken this offense on his back.
Why not us? We're here for a reason.
He believes he's going to win every game, win every play. You can hit him, you can hit him, you can hit him, and then he's going to make a play.
Touchdown! Seahawks! Drops back. He's going to throw down the middle. He's got a man. The ball is caught.
Game over, baby!
Touchdown! The Seahawks are going back to the Super Bowl.
8 straight playoff wins at home for Seattle. Russell Wilson, brilliant. Simply brilliant.
A lot of eyes are on him, and he just continues to go out and does what he does.
And Seattle is making it look easy. Seahawks, Super Bowl 48 champions.
And all the extra hours sitting in there in the film room just studying over and over and over again, throwing extra passes after practice, it's all worth it in the end. You realize that it was special.
Russell Wilson, a guy they said was too small. He is a world champion.